Hello and welcome. Today we're showcasing the SUPROCKY Ultra Quiet Bathroom Exhaust Fan, designed to improve air quality efficiently. This remote mount inline fan delivers powerful 300 CFM ventilation while staying ultra quiet by being installed away from living spaces. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, garages, and other residential areas, it continuously removes stale air to keep your environment fresh. Its medium size and white finish blends seamlessly with most home interiors. The fan's design ensures outstanding performance without the noise typically associated with exhaust fans. Whether in an attic or roof space, it provides reliable ventilation for multiple rooms. Experience cleaner, fresher air with this high-performance, quiet exhaust fan solution. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.